Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I am working with Tinashe Hair again. They sent me a bob, y'all. Yes, we are bobbing this summer. Yes, she is looking very sleek and clean. I love it. If you guys want to see me unbox it, see everything that comes with this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave this right here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this bob. Okay, you guys, we are back, and today we're working with Tinashe Hair. Yes, so you will receive a baggie and a box when you get your package. I'm gonna first open up the baggie and show you guys what's inside of this. 2 hair clips, lashes, wig caps, a bonnet, and a baby hairbrush. Box looks like this. It says Tinashe on it. It's a Tinashe. Maybe it's Tinashe. I'm not sure. Anyway, Tinashe is their handles on social media. Tinashe Hair right there. Right here it says 12-inch. So I believe we're working with a bob of some sort. Inside you get a card and your wig. And inside the box it says it's a 12-inch bob wig, 5x5 lace front wig. All right, so here is the wig straight out of the package. It's very sleek, and you can tell that the ends are blunt, so that's very nice. It is a 5x5, so the parting goes very deep. Here is the parting here. It looks very good. This is, let me see. Here is the edges. It does look pre-plucked. And inside we have an elastic adjustable band. We have 3 combs and adjustable straps inside. So this one is going to be very easy to install. This hair feels so good. Oh my gosh, she feels so good. Oh my gosh, I love how clean cut she looks. She just looks so clean cut already. Okay, so this one's gonna be real quick because it's already has a parting here for me. I'll probably pluck maybe just a little bit. I don't even know. I might not pluck anything. I might not pluck anything on here because I think I'm just gonna wear the center part. But yes, and it's already straight and it has a little bump on it already, so I'm just gonna probably go over it a little bit with my flat iron, and that's pretty much gonna be it. I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace as well, and then I'm gonna come back and we will install this beaut together. Look at that. Look at that body. Look at the movement. Yes. Yes. right, you guys, so I am finished. This is what our bob looks like. All right, you guys, so let's first get a close-up on this lace. The lace is looking absolutely natural, okay? It's growing out of my scalp, okay? She is so cute. So this is a 12-inch bob, but I did have to trim it. I still got hair all over me. I still got hair all over me. Jesus, and I'm hot. So it's sticking to me because I'm a little bit moist. Yes. But she's giving. So this was a 12-inch wig. I did have to cut it just a little bit. It was giving like too long of a bob. And you know when hair is too long and you try to bump it, the bump inside is not going like this. It's like curving and all of that. So I just trimmed it up a little bit so it could be more what is it, like uniform, like all going in the same direction like this. And I love this length. I think it looks really, really cute and sophisticated and neat. It looks very, very clean still, even though, I mean, I'm no professional. I just cut it the best way I could, and I think that it still turned out very, very good. So yes, this is it. It looks really, really good. I love the texture. Hold on, I'm a little oily. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. What was I saying? Oh, the hair looks very, very natural. The luster on the hair is giving blowout, natural pressed hair. It has a lot of body, a lot of movement, and you know we love that. So yes, she is absolutely beautiful. It's giving CEO. It's giving stay-at-home mom, cleaned up stay-at-home mom. Okay. Yes, I am loving every minute of this, and I'm definitely wearing this for the rest of the day. Might even take it on my trip with me because it's gonna be hot where I'm going. Okay, so yes, so this is the wig from Tinashe Hair. Again, it was a 12-inch. I cut probably about this much off of it. It is a 5x5. I just threw some baby hairs, some little bitty baby hairs in there. It's a 5x5 closure. Super easy to put on and has elastic band, so it's very comfortable and snug. It's not going nowhere. The lace is melted, giving real hair. Okay, but yes, so make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, the direct link, and all their other gems. This hair is so bomb. She's so bomb. Excuse me. Yes, body. Yes, movement. Yes. I love it. I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.